Canadian commercial real estate has been a dependable asset class for investors, generating true value over the long term. It is why Morguard REIT's high-quality, diversified portfolio is appreciated by many. Our focus on key Canadian urban markets keeps us resilient, enabling us to withstand even the most challenging conditions. And our network of experienced real estate professionals delivers the skills and knowledge required to identify opportunities, reinvest, re-envision, revitalize, and develop our holdings in thriving communities, creating value. Our legacy is one to be appreciated. Established over 20 years ago, Morguard REIT's deep roster of single and multi-tenant office buildings, shopping centers, and industrial properties is now valued at $2.9 billion. And we have always been committed to building a sustainable world by making a positive difference each and every day through our company-wide sustainable Morguard programs that structure our efforts and directs our actions on environmental, social, and governance strategies. When the COVID outbreak hit, we maintained the safest possible environment for our tenants, our employees, and our visitors, and implemented important measures to reduce the spread of the virus. Morguard REIT has what it takes to take decisive action, strong opportunities to create value within our existing holdings through redevelopment. We have centers with space to allow us to add additional entertainment and service retail or transform into distribution facilities for rapidly growing online shopping. Office building space currently not being used to full capacity may be repurposed to better serve the needs of the business community. And renovations and building upgrades can be performed to attract new tenants. Operationally, 2020 was a demanding year, but our dedicated management and operations teams were up to the challenge. They closed amenities deemed to be risky and intensified cleaning in high-touch areas of our properties. They deferred maintenance orders for non-emergency repairs and added additional hand sanitizers on our premises. They used the latest technology to keep lines of communications open with our employees, tenants, and partners. They deployed social media to provide up-to-the-minute reports on conditions. And they worked with tenants to review their situations and consider rent payment solutions that will give them the support they require to succeed. The Trust has never been about doing reactive things that may not be in our best interests in the future. Rather, it has pursued a prudent and pragmatic strategy designed to yield consistent returns over the long run that has built a diversified portfolio of 47 commercial properties in key urban centers in 6 provinces, accounting for 8.3 million square feet of gross leasable area. In 2020, NOI for the Trust decreased by 17.5% to $123.8 million due to bad debt expense and closures caused by COVID, and revenue was down 7% to $245 million. Funds from operations decreased, closing the year at $66.9 million. And after years of stable dividends, the Trust reduced distributions due to COVID. First, to 4 cents per unit in May 2020, then to 2 cents per unit in February 2021, which will positively impact retained earnings and support portfolio reinvestment. Overall occupancy declined by 1.4% to a still solid 92.1%. While enclosed shopping centers were down, community strip centers stayed strong, as did industrial properties. And our office portfolio benefited from our large number of government tenants. Good things are about to happen as we move forward. We are re-envisioning some of our assets, redefining spaces, bringing in new tenants, and responding to the needs of their communities. And the Trust is in an excellent liquidity position to improve occupancy and maintain development priorities that will improve the value and quality of our portfolio and increase our future funds from operation. enhancing our portfolio through prudent capital management, combined with a focus on developing our existing properties in growth markets throughout Canada offering real potential. This is the philosophy that has guided Morguard REIT since its inception, providing true value many investors have come to appreciate over time.